Imagine waking up every day knowing you're fueling your body to burn fat faster, all with a simple, natural remedy. In today's video, we're diving into an incredible fat-burning hack that's natural, accessible, and highly effective: the upgraded Rice-Zempic. Unlike costly medications or chemical-heavy treatments, this remedy is all about enhancing your body's natural ability to burn fat, boost metabolism, and fuel a healthier cardiovascular system. If you've been searching for a reliable way to shed those extra pounds, keep watching, because we're breaking down the science, ingredients, and easy steps to make this powerful metabolism-boosting drink at home. We'll explore how hydration, rice water, green tea, cayenne pepper, lemon, and honey each play a role in stimulating your metabolic rate, balancing blood sugar, supporting digestion, and optimizing overall health. Imagine a natural remedy that not only helps you lose weight but also supports your heart, improves insulin sensitivity, and even aids gut health. This isn't just about losing weight, it's about creating a healthier, more resilient body. So, sit back, grab a notebook, and let's dive into how you can start incorporating these ingredients to take control of your metabolism naturally. Stay tuned to discover the transformative impact of this drink. Water isn't just a thirst quencher, it's essential for effective fat burning and optimal metabolism. When we stay hydrated, our cells work efficiently, allowing for better digestion, nutrient transport, and waste elimination. Hydrated cells also aid in fat oxidation, which is the process where the body converts stored fat into usable energy. In fact, drinking water throughout the day can help you feel fuller, curb cravings, and maintain steady energy levels, all of which are crucial for effective weight management. But here's where the upgraded factor kicks in: rice water. This unassuming liquid isn't just a byproduct of cooking rice, it's a gentle source of nutrients and soluble starch that can stabilize blood sugar levels. By drinking rice water, you're delivering a controlled, slow release of glucose to your bloodstream, which prevents insulin spikes, a factor that's closely linked with fat storage. When your insulin levels stay stable, your body is less likely to hold onto excess fat, making rice water a unique, natural aid in weight loss and metabolism. Additionally, rice water offers a mild prebiotic effect. It feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, creating a healthier microbiome, which is essential for effective digestion and weight management. The gut is often referred to as our second brain, and with a healthy gut comes a well-functioning metabolism. Drinking rice water regularly can not only enhance your hydration but also set the stage for long-term metabolic health. Pair this with a well-hydrated body, and you're already setting yourself up for a fantastic, energized day ahead. Green tea is well known in the health world for its metabolism-boosting properties, primarily thanks to its high catechin content. Catechins are powerful antioxidants that enhance fat breakdown by blocking an enzyme that degrades norepinephrine, a hormone responsible for breaking down fat cells. When norepinephrine levels are high, the body can more easily mobilize stored fat and convert it into energy. That's why regular green tea drinkers often report higher energy levels and increased fat-burning rates. Studies show that drinking green tea may significantly raise the body's natural thermogenic rate, the process by which your body generates heat to burn calories. Thermogenesis is critical for anyone trying to lose weight because it directly impacts how many calories you burn in a day. But green tea does more than just boost thermogenesis. It also improves blood flow, which supports cardiovascular health and aids in delivering oxygen and nutrients to muscles, enhancing endurance during workouts. In the Rice-Zempic formula, green tea pairs perfectly with rice water. While the rice water stabilizes blood sugar and prevents insulin spikes, green tea amplifies the body's fat-burning potential. Together, they create a powerful synergy that tackles both blood sugar balance and calorie burning. Drinking green tea in this mixture will give you a natural boost, helping you feel more focused, energized, and ready to take on the day, whether that involves a workout, work, or anything in between. This powerful addition to your morning routine is a natural, caffeine-supported kick that fuels a more active metabolism. Cayenne pepper is a powerhouse when it comes to thermogenesis, the process of burning calories to create heat. The active compound in cayenne, capsaicin, is what gives it that spicy kick and is directly responsible for igniting the body's metabolism. Research shows that capsaicin not only boosts the body's ability to burn calories but also specifically targets brown adipose tissue, the fat responsible for generating heat. This means that by adding cayenne to your diet, you're encouraging your body to actively burn more calories, even at rest. But the benefits of cayenne pepper don't stop there. Capsaicin has been shown to reduce hunger, making it a natural appetite suppressant. This is a huge advantage for anyone looking to reduce their caloric intake without feeling deprived. By controlling your appetite, cayenne helps you maintain a calorie deficit, which is essential for fat loss. Combined with the other ingredients in our upgraded drink, cayenne's fat-burning abilities are taken to the next level, making it a perfect addition to this metabolism-boosting formula. Using just a few dashes of cayenne pepper in this drink gives you all these benefits in one potent package. By integrating cayenne pepper, you're not only encouraging fat oxidation but also benefiting from improved circulation and reduced appetite, which helps prevent overeating. If you're looking to optimize your weight loss routine, cayenne pepper is the ingredient to help you take that extra step in maximizing your body's calorie-burning potential. Lemon and lime are well regarded for their rich vitamin C content, which plays a pivotal role in fat oxidation and energy production. Vitamin C is necessary for the synthesis of carnitine, a compound that helps transport fatty acids into your cells, where they're burned for energy. Without sufficient vitamin C, your body's ability to utilize stored fat is diminished. So, by incorporating lemon or lime juice into your drink, you're actively supporting your metabolism's efficiency. Beyond fat burning, lemon and lime are potent antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress, which can impair metabolic function. Oxidative stress contributes to a variety of health issues, including weight gain, as it can interfere with the normal functioning of hormones and insulin. Adding lemon or lime not only boosts your immune system but also acts as a detoxifier, promoting efficient digestion and nutrient absorption, two critical factors for maintaining a high metabolic rate. In this Rice-Zempic drink, the citric acid from lemon and lime helps enhance the absorption of other nutrients, like the antioxidants from green tea and the active compounds in cayenne. Together, these ingredients create a powerful metabolic boost that's easy on the digestive system yet incredibly effective in supporting fat loss. Whether you add lemon for taste or health, it's an ingredient that both enriches the flavor and boosts the drink's efficacy in supporting your health goals. Honey, while sweet, is far more beneficial than just a natural sugar. Its unique blend of natural sugars, fructose and glucose, provides a steady release of energy, making it ideal for sustaining blood sugar levels. Unlike refined sugars, honey doesn't cause the same dramatic insulin spikes, meaning your blood sugar remains stable. Stable blood sugar levels are crucial for maintaining energy and preventing the body from storing fat due to insulin spikes. Moreover, honey has been shown to have a lower glycemic impact than regular sugar, making it an excellent addition for anyone looking to avoid blood sugar roller coasters. Honey also contains trace amounts of antioxidants, which further support metabolic health by reducing oxidative stress. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, support recovery, and contribute to a smoother functioning metabolism. When you add honey to the Rice-Zempic drink, it provides a balanced sweetness that makes the drink enjoyable without overloading on sugar. This balance of taste and health benefits allows you to stick to your weight loss goals without feeling deprived of flavor. Honey's steady energy release and blood sugar stabilizing effects make it an essential component for both immediate energy and long-term fat-burning support. Now, let's put it all together. Here's what you'll need to create this potent fat-burning drink. 10 to 12 ounces of boiled water. 2 tablespoons of white rice. 1 green tea bag. A few dashes of cayenne pepper. The juice of half a lemon or lime. A drizzle of raw honey. Begin by placing the boiled water in a glass and adding 2 tablespoons of rice. Let it steep, along with the green tea bag. Next, add a couple of dashes of cayenne pepper and squeeze in half a lemon or lime. Allow the mixture to cool for 5 to 7 minutes, and then add a small drizzle of honey to taste. Strain the mixture into another glass and drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to kickstart your metabolism. You can also enjoy a second glass mid-afternoon for an extra metabolic boost. This drink will give you sustained energy, help detoxify your system, and keep your metabolism firing all day long. In this video, we've explored how a simple blend of rice water, green tea, cayenne pepper, lemon or lime juice, and honey can be more than just a drink. It's a potent fat-burning, metabolism-boosting powerhouse. Together, these ingredients create a synergy that supports everything from blood sugar control and appetite suppression to energy stability and immune health. Starting your day with the Rice-Zempic formula helps you not only kickstart your metabolism but also stabilize your energy, support digestion, and improve your overall wellness. Drinking it on an empty stomach maximizes these effects, ensuring that your body starts burning fat early and keeps that momentum going throughout the day. Remember, consistency is key. For best results, incorporate this drink into a balanced diet, prioritize hydration, and make lifestyle adjustments that support your metabolic health. In just a few weeks, you'll start noticing real changes, not only in how you feel but also in your energy levels, weight,